Flagler Beach. It's a 3-story townhouse located right in the heart of Flagler Beach with fabulous ocean views. And this one is being sold fully furnished. So all you gotta do is just move right in and start living the beach life. Let's go take a look. Enjoyed seeing this beautiful townhouse. Right now I'm standing on the balcony of the master suite enjoying these beautiful ocean views and ocean breezes. So you can virtually tour this home. Just check out the website. You can take the 3D, it's an actual walk-through 3D virtual tour, so you'll feel like you've been here without ever having to step foot inside. Check out the drone footage. It'll show you how close you are to the ocean, how close we are to downtown. You can walk everywhere. And again, all the beautiful furnishings you see are included with the sale of this townhouse. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you so much. Again, Debbie Meyer, Landmark Properties.